No laptops, no license required. Just free. All this is just for fun. Hello people, welcome back and thank you for tuning in. Shushruth is here with me. We are at Varavante Beach. Today's date is 26th of, no, sorry, what is it? 27th of August. We left Bangalore on the 26th. Today is the 27th of August 2022. And I'm going to make use of this opportunity and make use of this guy to create the vlog which is long due. That is the drone hack update video. I have already found another hack which doesn't require a laptop or any license purchase. You just need your phone and another app. So let's get into the video right away. Please come closer. ಇಷ್ಟತ್ರಲ್ಲ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ಫೇಸ್ here that's my face. Amateur cameraman, so manage with whatever is there. So I've got our Inox bag as usual. We'll just unbox the drone. It's really windy, so I'm not sure how I'm going to fly the drone today. Let's see, hope for the best. So here we are with cameraman Shushruth and our DJI Mini 2. We are going to fly this and I'll show you how it's going to take off until 120 meters or beyond without any hassle. So I think we'll swap to screen recording now. So I'm logging into the app now. So let's go check our default settings. I'll just show you. Okay, slide, skip, confirm. Okay, we're going to the settings. And you can see that the maximum altitude as of now is 15 meters and the auto RTH which cannot be changed as well. Okay, so what we got to do now is come out, open the DJI Rainbow app. Once you download this app, you will be asked for your DJI credentials. Given those credentials and the login will be successful, since I've already logged in, it will detect my drone and I say fly drone. Once I say fly the drone,
the aircraft.
It's all connected. Now we can see Shushruth and I'm here, the beach is here. Okay, so all good. This has got way more options than what the DJI Fly offers currently. So what we do is go to the left, go to the, click on the top left of the screen where it says ready to go. And we have set maximum flight altitude here, so tap that and we can change that to 500. Okay, so according to law it says that you're not supposed to go beyond 122 or something. Okay, we'll do one thing, we'll keep it to 120 itself. Okay, so that's done. We'll just close this. We'll go back to our DJI app. And there we go, it's changed to 120. So that's how simple it is. So now I'm going to fly the drone and show it to you guys. No laptops, no license required, just free. All this is just for fun, nothing serious. So it's time to take off. So you see it's so damn windy. Now the screen is recording and I'm going to go all the way up and out. On sports mode, so there we go. 16, 8, 70, 78, 80, 88, 90, 100, and it goes beyond. So now we see that this hack works. So nothing to beat this hack as of now. So the previous hack did work. Only thing was we needed the laptop very often to keep resetting that altitude. Now that is not necessary. Once it is set, you can close the other app and just fly. So Shushruth is taking control of the drone. He's a new drone pilot. So Shushruth is taking control of the drone. He's a new drone pilot. As long as it's high up there, I don't mind what he does with it. Just don't want him to bring it down, that's it. So that's it for this video. I think I've kept it clean and simple. There's nothing too complicated about this video. So if you have any doubts, do comment below. So I got it on the App Store. I installed the app, put in the password, change the altitude. I'm just flying it high. That's it.
Like, subscribe.
So then thank you for watching this video. Until the next one, take care and stay safe.